Hello, my beautiful people out there. This is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have the unboxing of the monthly subscription, the classic and coffee and a classic. It comes monthly. You can get a book with a couple bookish items and a bookmark. They kind of changed their pricing in what they were charging for the box versus the shipping, because you do pay for shipping in this. I went ahead and looked online and my total charge was like $36.99 a month. So however they want to break it down, that's the bottom line of what you pay for that one. There is an additional one that comes in a nicer keepsake box with also a mug that is based off of the book, and I think it's about $10 more or so. So you can go to their link, coffeeandaclassic.com, but it's a little pricey for what it is, to be perfectly honest. There's a lot of great book deals out there if you go shopping on your own, but you're paying for the service of them putting it together and sending it to your house and the surprise of it. And I do it for the purpose of trying to discover maybe something new that I haven't read, or just having a different nice copy of something that I particularly love. I'm trying to make a goal to read more of the classics, and sometimes I even have to Google search what genre it is, if it even is a classic, because there's some things that I think are classic that they're not technically a classic, if you know what I mean. So let's see what we got. November, Coffee and a Classic, written in 1948, 1984. Oh, I like 1984. I have read it several times. So this is not going to be a book that gets to be new to me, but I am fond of it, and I may read it again now that I have another copy. Let's see what we got with it. So we get this cute little bag book. There you go. It's a zipper pouch, so you can put like your travel gear or what in it. So, I don't know. I'll probably maybe use it, maybe give it as a gift. We'll see. And then, oh, this is nice. This is like a little beanie hat there. I like to run, and I'm always running and needing to, throw them in the wash and stuff. So I hope that one holds up. Now, the best part is the coffee and the classic, but I have to note that I emailed and requested that I change to hot chocolate. I had a lot of the coffee that I hadn't drank yet from the last one, and it is now December. This box is actually a little behind schedule. This is the November box, but it's December, and I wanted hot chocolate. So this is the Chestnut Tree Cafe Chocolate Ration Dark Chocolate Hot Cocoa. So I got hot cocoa because I figure it's a season. So I'm going to do 2 months of hot cocoa, and then I'll email back and switch to coffee. I love tea, but I'm not a huge tea drinker except for when I'm out of the house. So I probably won't do the tea, but if you like tea or hot chocolate, or there's my cat Casey. She's bored. Here's the bookmark. Big Brother is watching you. It's in a shiny thing, George Orwell's 1984. And let's look at the book. Because to be honest, I'm not sure I may own the copy that I bought for school. Okay, so it's a novel, 1984. So it looks like that. There's even a picture on the back. It's paperback, so I have to say I'm a little disappointed. I like it when it's that like kind of faux leather, or it's just got a really beautiful spine. So to be honest, I'm a little unimpressed by this, but I like the book and I like the choice and I like the subscription, so I will probably do it at least one more month. I'm going to have to make some choices. I'm going in for sinus surgery tomorrow, and I had appendicitis in April, and I already got several payment plans for medical needs, so I may need to rebudget. Well, I am going to rebudget, and I'm going to have to maybe put a little hold on some of my subscriptions, and this may be one, just because again, I really appreciate it and love it and recommend doing it for anybody who loves books. They even have a children's one that I think would be great, except for my kids are 18 and 21 now, so they get to pick their own books. But check into it, and I hope to see you again. And if I need to take a little break, then you might want to hit subscribe and watch for it, because it may be a little while, but I will be back with more reviews, and I'll keep doing book reviews, but more Coffee and a Classic. Thank y'all so much. Have a blessed day.